How you guys doing? I'm coming today to show you guys how to replace a sink hole stopper. I'm gonna replace it and I'm gonna put a new one on. Here's my new one. I bought it off HD Supply. Came with a new little pin to grab a hold of the sink stopper. So we're gonna place the whole little pipe. So this was the first thing you gotta do is come up under the cabinet, get you some good channel locks. I got these Husky, so I got 2 pair right now. But you can, if you got a big enough crescent wrench, it'll be great too. So definitely you wanna start from the bottom. So let's get down here. Let's see what we get. Okay. So first you're gonna want to get you a good crescent wrench like here. So I already tighten it for so it won't be so tight, but I just first I take this pin was inside. And this is what holds the stopper in. So I removed that pin, okay, and got my crescent wrench. Stuck it around. Break it. When I say break it, I mean like untighten it, okay? Take this little plastic thing and this little rubber gasket has to come down so you're able to like I normally use like a knife and just cut it because I'm going to replace it, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I got a knife, a little blade, just normally cut it. Okay, you cut it, it just comes right off. That's normally what I do. So you're gonna have to take the pipe out of there. It was kind of loose anyway. So you can move it up and down, okay? So let's go back to the top. See where we at. See, now it's up, you can move it. So normally it's nasty up under there, so I wouldn't try to use my hands. Normally what I'll try to do is so I got 2 crescent wrenches. So I'm gonna grab one from the bottom and I'll grab one from the top here. Turn it at the bottom on the top of the top until you get it loose. Or you can take it off. There you go. See? Once you remove this and unscrew it, it comes right out. Okay? Boom. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to be installing the new one. All right. Piece of cake. So you gotta take this one off. It comes with 2 gaskets, okay? So this one, you have to like loosen it up a little bit like this. I would just bring it down as far as possible. You have to push this one down. Okay? Push it down. So that way when you stick it up, it'll be, this the one that we cut up under the bottom. So this one, which goes on top here, you're gonna wanna put a gasket. It comes with a little gasket. You stick this gasket around this, just like this, right? Stick it on top, screw it, screw it, screw it. A lot of people use caulking, but I think this works better. And sometimes the black part kind of hangs over. You just use a knife to go around it, make it even with the stainless steel, okay? So here we go. We're gonna stick this one on. So I'm gonna go to stick one hand at the bottom. What I normally do, I'm a tall guy, so I go from the bottom, I stick it up, go to the top, screw this on, and grab it. The same way I loosen it, I'll tighten it, okay? So let's get started. Excuse me. All right. Okay, see? It popped up. See? You just screw it on. Real simple. It's tight at the bottom. So you pull it. You see, you pull it up. It's up now. You pull it down. Make sure it's level. And you got your little screw at the bottom. So let's go to the bottom. Okay. Let me show you guys how I do this. You have to use two channel locks to get this done. So it's leaking a little bit. Okay, so normally what I do is I grab it here. The same way I took it off. Grab it there. Just go around. Sometimes you can use your finger until it gets real tight. And then you're gonna want to use your Christian wrench or your channel lock. Okay. You want to get it as tight as possible so no water mix through. Keep tightening. See that gasket, that rubber gasket that's here? It's going up inside the bottom of the sink. So that's what's going to stop the water from leaking through. So you want to make sure this goes directly same way as your pipes. Your pipe that goes out to the sewer, you want to make sure that your bill here that holds the pin is going that way too. So that way you don't have problems with when you trying to stop your sink up and down. So okay, it's tight. Okay, so look. That's it. You want to make sure this goes that way. Same way as the pipe, okay? See? Same way. All right, so we're going to take this out. Grab this. You see what I mean about sometimes it hangs over? Okay, so that's no biggie. You just take your little knife, go around it as much as possible. Try not to come on top of it. So this ink is going to get resurfaced anyway, so don't worry about the scratches. You try to do all your repairs before you get your painting and your resurface guy and your cleaning lady to come in, or your cleaning guy. You want to make sure that you do all your repairs before, so that way when they will tape it off and make sure that everything is still, you know, chrome looking and everything. Okay, so where's the pen? Okay. So I'm not sure exactly where the pen is, so I'm just gonna use the other one. Okay, so this is how you put your sink stop in. You grab it, you see these threads and the little circle thing right here? You want to turn it like this, okay? So push it in, see how it is? So just like this, straight down. So you want to make sure it's flat, so that way when you stick the pin in there, it can go through that hole. And that's what controls it. It makes it go up and down. Okay, so see? You want to stick this pin that goes strictly through that hole. Okay, so I normally don't have to get down here and look, but I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on. See, it's up and down. It's moving, it won't go. So you normally hold it at the bottom, push it in all the way,